So maybe you need to cool it down on a hot day, or maybe you just got out of the gym, or just any reason at all to stay cool. This is a really nice and tiny, compact fan. It has a very powerful motor on it, and it's also really quiet. It charges with USB-C, it does come with the cable, and you can charge this thing up, and the battery will last a long time depending on what setting you have it on. So you have 20%, 40%, 60, 80, and 100%, which is a nice, yeah, it feels really good. You just hold it up, and it's gonna cool you off immediately. Again, after the gym, something like that, if you're still feeling a bit sweaty and hot, this is such a great thing to cool off with, or maybe you're in your hot car. Something like this is also great. It has a nice little wrist strap that's stretchable. It's like kind of rubbery, so you can have this around your wrist if you need to. And it's really easy to just power on with that power button. Just hit it once and you're already at 20% and just can cycle through those 5 different speed modes. And yeah, wow. It just, yeah, you feel it immediately. It's a nice cool air, and it tells you your battery life as well after you've switched over to that mode. So this one has 86% left, and I've been using this a lot. So the battery does last a long time. And one of the things I just love is the design of it and just how sleek, really got that nice glossy white finish to it, and just really nice in your hands. You'll feel the quality of it. So it works, and I use this a lot, highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.